Hi guys, good morning. So in this video, I'll be teaching you what to use to stop cough instantly. So guys, I was having cough. And I find this method it works it worked like magic. I decided to share. So join me. Once skip this video, I'll be teaching you how you can stop cough instantly without taking medication, without going to the pharmacy, without going to help us get that on how to stop cough. This is ancient wisdom. So follow me on this process. So I have a spoon, I have our red oil and salt. So you light up your gas. So this is just to heat the oil. You know the oil is always thick. This is just to heat the oil a little bit. You fetch little palm oil like this. You add little salt to the palm oil. You can see. I'll put it on the gas. Not let it stay on the gas, no palm oil. Put it on the gas for it to melt a little so that thickness which will just be a little bit, the oil will just be light. We're putting it on the gas for it to be light. Okay, this is okay. So once you see that thickness of the oil has dissolved, look at it. That thickness of the oil has dissolved. So you can just use your hand to, but you already put salt. You can just use your hand to, so the salt makes some clear. This is hot, but not really hot. So you just there's like salt can dissolve. Yeah. So I'm going to go to here. There's our red oil, salt. I'm just putting it in the our oil is put now. Like magic. I did it on Larry Cough on Sunday. You never eat it from disappear. Never cough again. Never cough again. Never let the pharmacy to get cough not so long.